Hello, friends! Today we'll visit the farm and the jungle to meet amazing animals. Are you ready? Let's go! When you go to the farm, we find duck, duck. Ducks love to swim in the pond. Chicken, chicken. Chickens lay eggs. Cow, cow. Cows give us milk to drink. Sheep, sheep. Sheep have soft wool. Horse, horse. Horses love to run fast. Pig, pig. Pigs love to roll in the mud. Rabbit, rabbit. Rabbits love to eat carrots. Goat, goat. Goats climb and eat green leaves. Dog, dog. Dogs help take care of the farm. Cat, cat. Cats chase mice in the barn. Now it's quiz time. Let's see what you remember. Which animal gives us milk? Great! Correct answer. Which animal lays eggs? Great! Correct answer. Which animal love eat carrots? Great! Correct answer. Now we're in the jungle. Let's see which animals live here. Elephant, elephant. It has a long trunk. Lion, lion. The lion is the king of the jungle. Monkey, monkey. Monkeys love to swing and eat bananas. Zebra, zebra, zebra. Look at the zebra's stripes, black and white. Snake, snake. A snake, it slithers on the ground. Tiger, tiger. The tiger is strong and fast with orange and black stripes. Hippo, hippo, hippo. That's a hippo. It loves to stay cool in the water. Crocodile. Crocodile. The crocodile has a big mouth and strong teeth. Now it's quiz time, little explorers. Let's test your jungle memory. Which animal has a long trunk? Great! Correct answer. Who is called the king of the jungle? Great! Correct answer. Which animal has black and white stripes? Great! Correct answer. Wow, you did it again. You're real jungle experts now. See you next time.
Thank you, my friends. Don't forget to subscribe and press the like button. Bye.